Welcome to J4U Kids Learn.
Hello, adventurous friends. Welcome back to J4U Kids Learning. I'm Anna, and today, our ABC adventure continues with the high-fiving letters H, I, J, and K. Get ready for a journey to Letterland. Let's meet our high-fiving letter pals. First up is H, the happy hippo. High five, H. Now, say hello to I, the imaginative ice cream. Sweet high five, I. Next, we have J, the jolly jellyfish. Awesome, J. And lastly, let's high five with K, the kind koala. Great job, K. Today, we're embarking on a journey through Letterland. Are you ready to explore with the HIJK crew? Fantastic. Let's start with H. H is for high five, you got it. H is for high five. Watch as H, the happy hippo, gives us a big, happy high five. Now, let's move on to I. I is for ice cream, sweet. I is for ice cream. Check out I, the imaginative ice cream, giving us a frosty high five. That was tasty. Now, let's float with J. J is for jellyfish. Perfect. J is for jellyfish. Join me and J, the jolly jellyfish, for a wiggly high five with its tentacles. You're all amazing high fivers. Now, let's climb with K. K is for koala. Excellent. K is for koala. Watch K, the kind koala, give us a gentle high five with its leaf. That was a fantastic journey through Letterland. Like, share, and subscribe for more high-fiving adventures and exciting episodes with J4U Kids Learning. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.